Hello there! Today I'm going to make Dutch Charger car pro models, plastic models, because I'm big fan of Michael Westin. Yeah, let's open up. Box. Oh, wheels, tail lamp, and front and rear glass, and wow, bodies. Wow, this is not complicated. That was difficult, but it was fun. I never used the cement, the glue things. It's connect together the plastics. For the I use for the job, but I never use for the pro model. That was fun. I wanna practice more. Then I wanna make fighters and Gundams sometime. I have a Mini and F-35. It's coming up. Bye!